If you want to level up your art and learn how sketching can unlock your creativity, you'll enjoy this course. Students use a proven method to elevate their art by building on a set of basic fundamentals. Learn how to use light and shadow, perspective and value scales to improve all aspects of your artwork. Whether you want to create better still lifes, landscapes, urban sketches, or even portraits, this course gives you the building blocks you need. You'll learn the tools and habits that will excite you about sketching and ignite your passion for creating art. Marty Owings has authored 2 books and has more than 35 years of field sketching experience, drawing and painting a wide variety of subjects. He's taught students how to get the most from their artistic journey and to discover the joy of sketching. Sign up today.